Junior Senator from California.
Madam President, in just a few moments, this chamber is going to consider the confirmation of Judge Dena Coggins to be the United States Judge for the Eastern District of California. And I would proudly want to rise and speak in support of her confirmation. Before I begin, I do want to appreciate that Judge Coggins' family is watching proudly and eagerly the Senate floor today. Her mother, Cynthia Ambrose, Judge Coggins' son, Elias, and her daughter, Alea, who I met during their nominations hearing. I know they are excited about the opportunity today for their mother to continue her public service at the highest levels in one of the busiest districts in the state and in the country. And so I just want to take the time to thank Ms. Coggins' mother, Ms. Ambrose, Elias, and Alea for supporting their mom and their daughter. She indeed is an incredible woman. If confirmed, Judge Coggins will join the federal bench at a critical moment for California's Eastern District. The Eastern District of California is currently seeing an average of 803 filings for each judgeship on the court. That caseload level is the 6th highest in any federal district in the country. And given her remarkable track record serving Californians from all walks of life, I have the utmost certainty and confidence in Judge Coggins' readiness for this role. Her work ethic, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the rule of law make her an exceptional nominee to meet this moment with the urgency that it demands, and I am confident that she will be successful. Born and raised in Sacramento, Judge Coggins has devoted her career to serving the community in which she was raised. She completed her undergraduate degree at California State University, Sacramento, received her Juris Doctorate degree from the University of the Pacific McGeorge School of Law in Sacramento. Judge Coggins began her career in general litigation and family law, where she built a strong reputation as a skilled litigator with experience in both federal and state court. From 2015 to 2017, and again from 2018 to 2021, Judge Coggins served as an administrative law judge at the state of California's Office of Administrative Hearings. In this capacity, Judge Coggins presided over more than 150 evidentiary hearings and trials. She also served as supervising attorney and hearing officer for the California Victims' Compensation Board, where she oversaw legal proceedings and ensured that victims of violent crimes receive the compensation and the support that they needed. Since 2021, Judge Coggins has served in the Superior Court of California in Sacramento County. She's handled assignments in both the criminal division and the juvenile court. And since 2023, she has served as the presiding judge of the juvenile court, presiding over 100 juvenile dependency trials. I will also note that if Judge Coggins is confirmed, she would be filling the seat currently held by Chief Judge Kimberly Mueller, who is the first woman to ever serve on the District Court of California, and for whom Judge Coggins served as an extern early in her legal career. Judge Coggins is an experienced jurist who's seamlessly transitioned to and excelled in numerous roles on the state bench. The respect and reverence she has earned is validated by the overwhelming support she's received since her nomination, including a letter written by several of her colleagues at the state bench addressed to the Senate Judiciary Committee. Speaking of her service on the juvenile court as a juvenile court judge, they said, quote, "She is a humble and quiet leader, not seeking the spotlight or fanfare, simply working day in and day out to improve the court. We know when she speaks, she has put considerable thought into her words and that her reasoning and judgment are sound. They go on to say, in the courtroom, she also demonstrates her steady and fair temperament. She's thorough and diligent. Judge Coggins is efficient with her time on the bench and has handled substantial caseloads. She analyzes issues in a careful and balanced manner, provides thoughtful, well-reasoned, common-sense decisions. She's compassionate to all who appear before her and takes time to understand the impact each decision will have on them, end quote. Judge Coggins is exactly the kind of jurist that we need in the Eastern District and has exactly the kind of experience California's federal bench needs. Her legal intellect, her composure, her record as an effective, efficient, thoughtful jurist makes her a strong nominee. And her appointment to the bench comes at a historic time. Just this morning, we marked the milestone of confirming President Biden's 200th appointment to the federal judiciary, including 1 Supreme Court justice, 42 circuit court judges, 155 district court judges, and 2 judges to the U.S. Court of International Trade. President Biden has nominated and the Senate has confirmed 126 non-white federal judges, more than any president in history. The majority of these judges are women, 127 exceptionally qualified jurists. Notably, the professional diversity of these confirmations is also remarkable and unprecedented, including public defenders and other legal backgrounds whose perspectives and experiences have not been fully represented on our federal bench. With this in mind, confirmation of Judge Coggins' nomination is a part of our broader work to strengthen our judicial system. So I urge my colleagues to join me in supporting her confirmation to the Eastern District of California. Thank you, Madam President. I yield the floor.